this video, we will be taking a look at some of the benefits of eggs. Eggs, being the world's most consumed food, has countless benefits. It is used in almost all baking recipes and is a go-to in breakfast meals. But what makes it so special? People who usually take extra care of their health and fitness eat more eggs. From celebrities to athletes, eggs are everyone's number one. That's because it brings great and mind-blowing changes in your body that are obviously noticeable over time. But what happens to your body if you eat 3 eggs a day? Before I tell you this secret, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button because this video is going to change your opinion about eggs. Number 1. Magic for your hair. You must have heard about egg masks and keratin treatments and protein supplements before. But did you know that eggs have just as much protein as keratin treatments? If you start eating at least 3 eggs every day on a regular basis, you will see that your hair will grow stronger, longer and shinier. Eggs are rich in protein and can work better than your chemical products. They might not show you instant results, but they have long-term benefits and obviously have 0 side effects. So if you want to nourish your hair naturally, get eggs in your diet like water. Number 2. You gain healthy muscle. For people struggling with weight gain issues, well, you have the answer now. Eat at least 3 eggs daily and watch your arms and thighs grow naturally. Eggs have natural proteins that help in tissue repair and muscle gain. So whenever you plan on getting your weight gain diet ready, make sure you add as many eggs in it as you can. I remember when this friend of mine was trying to gain muscle to build his biceps and body. He used to have 6 eggs per day. It worked like a miracle for him. Number 3. Great for heart. Eggs have properties that make it great for heart and cardiovascular diseases. Our hearts are obviously one of the most essential organs in our bodies, and keeping a check on their health is very important. The veins in our hearts are very likely to get blocked by cholesterol, but eggs have healthy cholesterol and doesn't get accumulated. So there's no harm in eating more eggs because they might save you from a potential stroke. Number 4. Healthy bones. It is hard to get vitamin E from food supplies because not a lot of dietary foods come with this vitamin. So usually the only source of vitamin E is the UV rays from the sun. Now people don't want to spend all day standing in the sun for a vitamin, right? But that's okay because eggs are your second best option. They are great for the bones because of their rich vitamin E composition. So getting vitamin E from the sun is just old school. Start eating more eggs and say no to weak bones. Number 5. Choline, the magic component. Eggs have a chemical called choline, which is great for the neurological health. It keeps your brain healthy and makes it function effectively. If you increase eggs in your diet, chances are that you'll start remembering stuff more without making much effort. You'll experience better reflexes and great mental health overall. So stop making excuses that eggs don't taste good, just eat them either way because they come with so many benefits. Number 6. Boosts your physical performance. Feeling low and tired? Can't work enough? Start your mornings with eggs in your breakfast and see the magic. You'll feel more energetic and active and get that energy boost that you've been needing all day. You might also want to increase eggs in your diet if you're someone who exercises regularly and works out. Eggs are going to help you with your fatigue and will boost your energy reserves for extensive workout. Number 7. Excellent for eyes. If you already wear glasses and have a weak eyesight, or if you fear that over time with age you might get weak eyesight, don't worry because eggs will keep them working just as healthy. Also, people worry about their eyes aging. Well, eggs have compounds and components that prevent eyes from aging and stops the aging process to a great extent. There's no point in worrying anymore. Just start eating more eggs every day and you'll be good to go. It's always better to be safe than sorry because, as you saw earlier in this video, eggs help you with your heart, hair, eyes and whatnot. It literally benefits your entire body because it is rich in protein, and proteins make up most of your bodily compounds like enzymes. So let us know if this video was helpful in the comments below, and make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already, and stay healthy and harmonious.